This 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Half-Ton 250RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a LATTE interior, sleeps 4, skylight, TV, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Astoria Half-Ton 250RD is 7,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.